If your knuckles sound like popcorn, you might be wondering if it's causing damage. Let's dive into the truth. First things first, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Surprised? Well, studies have shown no direct link. The popping sound? It's just gas bubbles in the joint fluid bursting. Totally normal, but hold on, excessive knuckle cracking can lead to some issues. It might cause hand swelling or grip weakness over time. So, moderation is key. Remember, keep things balanced. If you feel pain or discomfort, better check with a doctor. But for most of us, occasional knuckle cracking is harmless fun. So go ahead, give those knuckles a pop, just don't overdo it. Stay healthy, stay informed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.